Today I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly how to safely remove your e-bike battery and charge it like a pro, so you protect the battery life and avoid any mistakes most beginners make. This guide is based on a common 36V13 all-lithium battery pack, like the one in many Highland or similar city e-bikes, but the basics apply to most models. Check your manual for specifics. First, how to remove the battery without damaging anything. Insert your key into the lock. Turn it to the unlock position. You'll hear a click. Gently lift the battery a little, then tilt it slightly away from the bike, so the contacts don't scrape. Pull it straight out, super easy. Pro tip: always hold it from the sides, never from the terminals. You can charge the battery in two ways. On the bike, just plug directly into the charging port on the frame. Off the bike, the real city rider move. Lock your bike downstairs, grab the battery, walk upstairs, and charge it in your apartment. Zero stress about someone stealing that expensive battery overnight. Before you charge, let's see how much juice is left. Most e-bike batteries have a little button right here. Press and hold for 2 seconds, and you'll get 4 LED lights. For green lights over 75%, you're fully charged, ready to ride. 3 green lights 50 to 75%, still plenty of power. 2 green lights 20 to 50%, getting low, keep an eye on it. 1 light red or flashing under 20%, charge as soon as possible. This is super handy when you're out riding and want a quick check. Rule number 1. Always use the original charger that came with your bike. Generic chargers can fry your battery, or even be dangerous. Here's the safe way. Plug the charger into the battery first, then into the wall. The charger will show a red light. Red equals charging. Green equals fully charged. Usually takes 4-7 hours, fully charged. Charge in a cool, dry place, never in direct sun or a hot garage. As soon as it turns green, unplug it. Leaving it plugged in for days can slowly damage the battery. Quick bonus tips for longer battery life. Try not to let it drop below 10%. Charge as soon as possible. Store it at least 60% if you're not riding for weeks. In winter, bring the battery inside. Cold kills lithium batteries. That's it. If you follow these simple steps, your battery will easily last 800, 1,000 plus charges. Drop a like if this helped, comment which e-bike you have, and subscribe with notifications on. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.